Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing power and opening access points. Disconnect the battery negative to prevent shorting. Once done, remove the sunglasses holder and any screws visible in the front edge of the overhead console with a Phillips. You'll then pry the plastic trim gently at the rear seam using a trim tool to expose 2 hidden screws. Make sure to hold the console with one hand while loosening fasteners so it doesn't drop unexpectedly. This prevents wiring strain when you move to disconnect connectors. Once the visible screws are removed, tilt the console down toward you to access the wiring behind it. You'll feel resistance from the lamp and microphone plugs. You should press the release tab on each connector and pull straight out to avoid bending pins. If a connector won't release, wiggle while depressing the tab. Do not pry the plug apart. You remove the console completely only after all connectors are free. This preserves the plastic retainer and prevents damage to the dash. With connectors detached, lift the console clear of the headliner and set it on a soft towel to avoid scratching. If you're replacing it, move the screws and any metal brackets to the new unit now, then reverse the steps to reinstall. Align tabs, engage connectors, and tighten screws snugly but not over-tightened. If a lamp or mic doesn't work after reassembly, make sure the connector pins are clean and fully seated. If still faulty, check the interior fuse as the next troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.